Hello everyone, and welcome to a new video from Via Doctus, where we will attempt to answer an intriguing question: is our universe truly infinite? To start, we must clarify that the universe is expanding. While gravity holds clusters of galaxies together, most galaxies are moving increasingly further apart. This is evidenced by the light from distant galaxies, which shifts toward the red end of the electromagnetic spectrum, indicating that their wavelengths are stretching as they move away from us. In fact, the most distant galaxies appear to be receding even more rapidly, suggesting that the universe's expansion is accelerating. Observations over recent decades indicate that the universe's expansion slowed during its initial billion years. However, around 8 billion years ago, this expansion began to accelerate. If this acceleration persists and the universe's geometry is flat, it will never cease expanding and will continue to do so indefinitely. This potential future cosmos would be a cold, dark universe, succumbing to thermal death and the second law of thermodynamics, where nearly all physical processes have concluded. In this scenario, existing stars will extinguish, new ones will not form, galaxies will ultimately collapse into black holes, and these, after billions of years, will vanish due to Hawking radiation. This bleak outcome, often deemed the most probable, aligns with the cosmological hypothesis known as the Big Freeze. Some scientists support alternative theories, such as a universe with closed geometry akin to a sphere's surface. In this model, the universe's rapid expansion would eventually curve inward, forming a finite sphere. Gravity would ultimately overpower the expansion, causing all matter to collapse into a single point, resulting in a final singularity termed the Big Crunch, analogous to the Big Bang. This theory is linked to the Big Bounce hypothesis, which posits that the Big Bang marked the start of an expansion phase, followed by a contraction phase, or Big Crunch. This cycle could repeat endlessly, meaning we might inhabit the first of all expanding universes, or perhaps the 5 billionth iteration of an infinite sequence. Each universe would conclude with a Big Crunch, setting the stage for the next universe's Big Bang. Another possibility is an open universe with hyperbolic, saddle-like spatial geometry. Here, general relativity suggests an infinitely enduring universe, with dark energy perpetually accelerating its expansion. In such a universe, all matter, from vast galaxies to the tiniest unicellular organisms, would disintegrate into isolated elementary particles. This concept is known as the Big Rip, where the universe's final state is a singularity due to the infinite expansion rate. As you can see, some cosmological hypotheses predict a finite universe, while others suggest an infinite one. However, we can confirm that the cosmos region we observe is finite. The cosmological horizon, or observable universe, is the boundary beyond which we cannot know anything for certain. Yet we should not confuse the observable universe with the entire universe's space-time, which we can only explore with our imagination. Since the universe originated approximately 13.8 billion years ago, we can only observe objects whose light has had sufficient time to travel to Earth. Thus, the light from more distant objects has not reached us yet. But due to cosmic expansion, the observable universe's radius exceeds 13.8 billion light-years. The actual distance to the visible universe's edge is about 46.5 billion light-years in every direction from Earth. Consequently, from our perspective, the visible universe forms a perfect sphere with Earth at its center, and a diameter of roughly 93 billion light-years. As the universe ages, the size of the observable universe continues to grow. Returning to our video's initial question, is the universe truly infinite? The answer is that the universe could be finite, but it is so vast that any signs of its limits are beyond our detection. And that concludes our Via Doctus video. If you enjoyed it, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.